Need a container spray? In this video, I'm going to show you how it's done and what it looks like afterwards. The container we're spraying today is for a loft facility, and what they want here is we're going to put 2 inches on the ceiling and 3 feet down the whole way around. So when we're doing this container, an important thing to keep in mind is anything that needs to be protected. Now they have a clear coat that's 4 feet up the wall. We're going to take a piece of plastic along here nice and straight, drape it down the wall, and we're going to put it along the floor because they also have the floor done here nice with a paint and a shellac. So we want no spray foam on this whatsoever. If there were lights or anything like that, we would cover them with tape and plastic. But no matter how warm it is or how cold it is when you're spraying this container, I always flash coat the surface. That way it warms it up and it makes it tacky for your next layer to stick to. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a flash coat on the metal where I'm spraying, and let that set up for a few minutes, and then I'm going to come across it with the 2 inch one. So this is what it looks like halfway between spraying. It's quite a mess. We're just in the process of cleaning it up. So there you have it. We got the container finished. We got 2 inches, 3 feet down, and the sealant done. That's all the customer wanted. I'm going to give you a little video of the whole way around so you can take a look at it.